Welcome to Evision, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company. Join Evision, join job.
My name is Vineet Mishra. I am from Bihar. I did my schooling class 10th and diploma from Bihar in Chandigarh. I have done BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Golwadia College of Engineering Technology, Greater Noida. After completing my BTech, I was working in a Vivo Mobile Private Limited as a quality engineer. After that, we moved our career in IT industry. So I know about Evision Technology Private Limited. It's provide a networking job in IT sector. So I'll come in Evision and get admission. After that, I have selected in 25 days in HCL Technology. So I suggest to all of you as students, please come in Evision Technology.